Dobar dan. Danas je ovdje iDubbbz televizija, iDubbbz televizija. I danas ćemo igrati drugi dio Five Fredija Sister Location, zapravo nije drugi dio nego part 2, a igrica je dalje. I'm gay.
Ballora will not return to her state anymore. She will catch you. The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through Ballora Gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you and can only listen for your movement. When you hear her music become louder, she is growing near, listening for you. Wait and be still.
Thank you for your patience. It seems that the power system cannot be restarted automatically. You will need to restart the power system manually. Please return to the primary control module.
Ovo sam jučer čuo, i onako. To sam čuo i sad ćemo morati ići kroz...
O, hej! Šta je?
Kakav kreten.
Ajde, ti si isto. Da zatvorim vrata.
Da. Daj se zabit čmar u čelo.
You will now be required to crawl through the Ballora Gallery using the vent to your left to reach the breaker room. It is recommended that you stay low to the ground and reach the other side as fast as possible as to not disturb Ballora. I will deactivate myself momentarily as to not create an auditory disturbance. Deactivate it.
Ajde, fuck off, little retarded as fuck. Ajde, jedi ako hoćeš.
Rekao mi da si me našao na ulici, moraš mi malo više pomagati.
Jaj. Okej.
Ovo flu. Ovo još nisi
Tiho.
vidio.
Moram slušati ako je čujem, ako je čujem moram stati. Jel ti čuješ šta? Tiho? Ja čujem!
To nije muzika! Odi nazad.
Tiho! Shit, ovo je dark as fuck. Ti čuo?
Da, čuo sam.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It seems you are taking a long time. Please proceed as quickly and as quietly as possible.
Čujem.
What the fuck, prepao sam se ovoga.
Ovo je rekla
Ajde, daj začepi, jebe ti.
da te ne može vidjeti, samo te može osjetiti.
Samo čut me može, to sam čuo.
Da, samo me čuti.
Čemoš prin?
Da. Ne, ovdje. Vidiš?
What the fuck, what the fuck, what the fuck. Evo, dobra šalica. Dobio sam je za 30 kuna.
Ja sam dobio GTA V.
What the fuck.
Idi. Nemoj debilu, idi. Jel možeš...
Ajde, daj šuti, jebem ti čaču.
Daj brzo da...
Ajde, daj začepi, pas ti čače.
Mnogo si blizu, ajde.
Baka i pas i...
Možeš nazad.
Kako usrana muzika, ej.
Odi nazad.
Ovo je kao za djecu je to zabavno.
Nemoj. Oda, čuo sam.
To!
Ja sam se već prepao.
Motion trigger breaker room.
You may now interface with the breaker control box. Using the interface may disrupt nearby electronics. If you feel you are in danger, feel free to disconnect the interface temporarily until it is safe to reconnect.
Ne, uopće se ne miče. Ne miče se.
Čekaj, šta sad?
To je ko ono iz drugog dijela. Samo malo je drugačije.
Aha. Samo moram stisnut space svaki put kad mislim da me je došao blizu Freddy. Brže.
Klikni, moraš kliknut. Ona hodi čak.
Ne mogu. Si ga vidio?
Ne.
Tu je bio.
Tamo je bio.
Daj jebem ti, sjedni normalno u pičku materinu. Di je? Di je?
Space, klikni glupane.
Okej, ajde idemo. Ajde. Ovo tu do kraja. Doćemo do pola. Ne, do 70.
Bedtime. Undertale.
It's bedtime.
Bedtime. Yeah.
Di je?
Space. Samo prvi.
Dobro, ajde za tepi, jebote si, retardiram. Ajde, odi van iz sobu. Ne mogu.
Ovo ja.
Evo ga. Ajmo sad. Čemo do 100?
Da.
Ne mogu, ja sam previše me strah. Onda ti igraj, odi.
Pa hoćeš da igram?
Pa nećeš.
Ajde da ti kažem.
Okej, još jedan, ajde.
Moraš pustiti sad jer ti
Great job. This completes your tasks for the night. Please proceed back through the Ballora Gallery with care, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.
Fuj! Snimaš ovo.
Okej. Će nam doći teta baleta.
Moraš opet.
Tiho. Vidim.
Si je čuo?
Ne čujem nije. Znaš će mi doletit 100%. I think it's just a mouse. I think it's just a mouse. Let's go back to it. Let's go back to our stage. Let's go.
It's a 3D mouse.
Da sprintam. Ajde, idemo.
Neću.
Ne, strah me. Okej. Kukaj.
Kad si došao na 6 AM. Yay!
As the sun sets, so also does another chapter in the saga of love lost between Vlad and his distressed mistress. Can they be reconciled? Can their love rise again? That and more happening now.
Lena, the baby isn't mine.
It is, Vlad. They had trouble catching him in the nursery today.
So what? Lots of kids get hyper and run around and stuff.
They had to knock him out of the air with a broom.
I have to go.
They're going to dock your paychecks.
They can't do that. I'm a vampire. I don't get paychecks.
You work the graveyard shift at the Fry Me Taco. Don't lie to me.
Oh, the humanity. When will the heartbreak end? When will these two ships passing in the night rekindle their long-lost love? Tune in tomorrow to find out.
Rađe bi gledao Lifija nego ovo. Šta ti hoćeš?
Ništa.
Daddy just once let me go play with her. She's so pretty and shiny. Didn't you make her just for me?
Ko Balora?
Kakav je ovo kreten?
Ti si.
Welcome back to another pivotal night of your thriving new career, where you get to really ask yourself, what am I doing with my life? What would my friends say? And most importantly, will I ever see my family again? We understand the stresses of a new job, and we're here for you. To help you reach a more stable and relaxing frame of mind, we offer several musical selections to help make this elevator ride as relaxing and therapeutic as possible. We offer contemporary jazz, classical, rainforest ambiance, as well as a wide selection of other choices. Using the keypad below, please type the first few letters of the musical selection you would prefer.
Napisat ćemo X.
It seems you had some trouble with keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for selecting Casual Bongos. Now that your elevator experience has been customized to your needs and you're thoroughly relaxed, it's worth mentioning that due to your lackluster performance yesterday, your pay has been decreased by a substantial amount. Please enjoy the rest of your descent.
Dobro, daj dosta sada. Riko, igra Let's Play sa nama. Zmoču.
Ali daj nekog brigeda.
Ja sam se vratio.
Due to unforeseen malfunctions from today's shows, your nightly duties will require you to perform maintenance that you may or may not be skilled enough to perform. It became necessary for technicians to attempt to disconnect Funtime Freddy's power module. However, they were unsuccessful. Allowing them to try again would be an inefficient path forward, as we would need to allow 6 to 8 weeks for recovery and physical therapy. You will need to reach the parts and service room on the other side of Funtime Auditorium to perform the procedure yourself. Let's check on Melora first and make sure she's on her stage.
What the fuck?
Great. It looks like everything is as it should be in Melora Gallery. Let's check on Funtime Foxy. It's important to make sure she's on her stage before entering.
She.
Zabavni.
Foxy she. Zabava vrijeme Foxy je žensko. Confirm the heck.
Great. It looks like everything is as it should be in Funtime Auditorium.
Ja nisam vidio.
There is no need to check on Baby tonight. Please refrain from entering unauthorized areas. Proceed directly to Funtime Auditorium.
Jej, zabavni time. Zabavni time. Tamo ćemo se jako dobro
Vidi,
zabaviti.
možemo i tu.
Ne, idi drugdje, idi
Ne
drugdje.
mogu.
Nikad nismo išli tamo, ajmo tamo. Tamo smo već išli.
Okej, mene uvijek ne mogu. Zabava vrijeme Foxy je zao. Možda nam, mislim da će nam vrijeme isteći.
Funtime Foxy is motion activated. For this reason, it's important to keep the room dark, as to not accidentally activate her. You have been provided with a flash beacon. Use it if you need to get your bearings and to ensure you don't bump into anything. However, use it as sparingly as possible. Proceed forward to reach the parts and service room.
Nije mi baš jasno što sad trebam.
Trebaš ići rano.
Ovdje nam vrijeme, lo. I onako me previše strah.